So guys, good day, and again this is Travel with Jason, and today we will be unboxing the new phone that I bought, wherein I have waited this for 4 years, and now they have this new model of this phone that I really love. And my friends always told me to change to iPhone, but I am really a fan of an Android phone, especially Oneplus phone. And now they have released the Oneplus 12, which I have here on my hand right now. And this phone, I bought it here in Dubai, but this is manufactured in India. So this is the flowy emerald variant, the green color, and this comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. So let's open the box. Now we're opening the box, and you can see it's always never settle. All right. So guys, what's inside the box? So first, you'll be greeted with this never settle. It's like a small box, of course. Okay. So it comes with a green silicone case. Good thing I really like it's also green color, because I've seen some videos they have the black color. Very good. Thank you, OnePlus. And the SIM tool ejector. Of course, the signature red cable club card, and they have some sticker, and another sticker, never settle, and some instructions, safety guide, a quick guide, and a welcome card from Petlau. Of course, I love Petlau. Next is, of course guys, the phone. The phone this time is heavier than the OnePlus 8T, which I have, and oh my god, it's so nice. See, can you see it's like sparkling. This is flowy emerald, and I'm so excited to open this one, but let's just put this aside for now. What else in the box? Wherein this next one that I will show you is we still have this in OnePlus, but this is not available in Samsung and in iPhones. Of course, the power brick. And the amazing thing about this power brick, this is 100-watt power brick, and this phone comes with 5400 milliampere, and with this power brick, this can charge like 34 minutes, and it will be fully charged 100%. That's very fast. And this is also capable for wireless charging, 50 watts wireless charging. And of course, the last thing that you can see here is the signature red cable from OnePlus, wherein this is a type C to type A USB cable. All right, so that's all we have here in the box. And now the satisfying part of this unboxing is opening the phone itself. Let's open. My god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's really nice. So this is a flowy emerald. If you can see, it's like a marble. Yeah. And this is the screen. Okay, what we have in this phone is the USB-C type charger port. This one is for the SIM card. This is a dual SIM, by the way, and this is a global version, and so you can use this anywhere. So there's not much bloatware, unlike the one that we have for Chinese version. And Chinese version have the 24 GB RAM, but this one is only until 16 GB. I'm not sure if they will be doing also 24 GB for the global version. I hope so, and let's see in the future. And this one is the speaker. This is a dual speaker actually. They have also a speaker here at the top and on the side. So they have the power button, they have the volume rocker, and they have actually transfer the alert slider from here to the other side now. Okay, it's a good thing because, you know, the texture, I really love the texture, and it's very easy to change to silent, vibrate, and, you know, tone if you want sound. So up, and now this phone comes with IR blaster, guys. So this one is used actually like an infrared. I'm not sure if that's infrared, correct me if I'm wrong. Like you use when you, if you want to turn on the TV, it's like a remote, like a remote device that you can, you know, that functions, that you can remotely operate your devices like appliances and all. And this one here is what I said, the speaker and the alert slider. And at the back, of course, we have this triple camera setup. First at the top is this, this is the flash. This one is the this is a 64 GB. I don't know, this is the 64 GB periscope, and this one is a 50 megapixel wide lens, and this one is the 48 megapixel ultra wide, and this is the 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and this one is the sensor, right? And it's really nice, guys. So I hope that you will also love to use OnePlus, because I've been a user for like 7 years now. For OnePlus, I started with OnePlus 6T, and then I have the OnePlus 8T, and now I have the latest OnePlus 12. All right, and later on I will going to open this phone and try to transfer all my files, and I will start using this. All right, I hope, guys, you enjoy the video, and I hope you have you got some information regarding about this new phone from OnePlus. And I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Travel with Jason. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you.